Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is the laundry room renovation video. So this room was already empty when we got started, and we weren't really knocking down any walls in this one, but we did build up a wall. So there was a laundry room closet that was in here, and we weren't really going to use it, so we walled that off. And then once you see our pantry video, we ended up using the laundry room closet for our pantry. It'll make more sense in that video, but this room is pretty easy, just kind of threw things together. We painted all the walls white just like the rest of the house, put the same tile in just like the rest of the house, and then I did get some of this peel and stick wallpaper from Amazon. It's all right. I didn't use it in the rest of the house, if that tells you anything. I might experiment with it again later, but it's okay. But so keep watching, and if you like the black and white theme that we've done in the rest of the house, then you'll like this. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the rest of our videos. We have a kitchen renovation video. We knocked down walls, made a kitchen island. We have bathroom renovations, living room renovations, the dining room renovation, and it's all this black and white modern type of theme. This little cabinet that I'm painting is the only thing of the laundry room that I kind of regret doing. We had bought this cabinet thinking we were going to use it in the kitchen. We didn't, and I think I just got desperate with the amount of money we've been spending. I thought, we need to use it, we need to make it work. And I kind of feel like it's out of place, but now with that wallpaper behind it and drilling holes into it, I don't think we can take it off without it being a huge deal with the wallpaper. Maybe you wouldn't have noticed if I wouldn't have said it, but now that I've said it, I feel like it needs something else. I don't know if you guys have any suggestions on how I can still salvage this and make it work, or if you think I'm crazy and it looks okay and it doesn't look out of place, but please let me know if you have any ideas. So this countertop was totally Cody's idea. I did not see the vision in it, but I'm so glad he ended up doing this. So it just kind of finishes off the laundry room. This is where I can put all the products, everything, so that if anything does get ruined or dirty, it won't be the washer and dryer. It'll be this little countertop thing that he made. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. And now it's time just to hang everything up and get it decorated and all put together and ready to be used. As we face misconceptions, picture perfect, a balanced blend and some pretend. In and out, on and off. did end up going with the clear container trend. I got some off of Amazon, and I know I will end up getting more, and I definitely will end up putting labels on all of these products. But as of right now, I know what they all are, and I don't think I'm going to be having much help with laundry and all of that. So for now, it'll work. I'll get the labels going. But whenever I make labels, it's from my mom's Cricut machine. So as of right now, we're in the middle of putting together our wedding, and I'm making a lot of signs off of a Cricut machine for the wedding. So that's top priority right now. Everything's about the wedding, which of course I will be sharing some videos of that, maybe like some DIY signs. If you're planning a wedding, it might be helpful to you. But long story short, back around to the point, labels will be coming on these products eventually. And now the best part, seeing the before and after side by side. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's super plain, kind of dingy looking, and now it's actually nice. You go through here to get to the backyard. So you see this, and you can see it from our living room and our kitchen. So I think it's kind of important that it looks a lot better than it did before. So if you like this, like I mentioned before, we have other home renovation videos. You can see right here, this is the closet I was talking about, that now that closet is in our pantry. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more.